How to turn off dark mode on Spotify. First of all, open Spotify whether you're on your applications on mobile device or PC and make sure to sign in to your account. Then you will land on this kind of interface. When you go to your profile icon at top right corner of the screen, select the settings. On the settings page, there are only two settings on Spotify, that is changing language or choosing the display option. But there is no any option to change or turn off dark mode on Spotify. So you need to remember that there is no any way till now to change or turn off the dark mode on Spotify. So simply let's try another way. Click on three dots at top right corner of the screen and now select settings on this menu page. Here you can easily tap or click on appearance and here click on the mode and here you need to set it on light mode. When you set it on light mode and go back to Spotify, although we have set our browser's appearance to the light mode, but we are not being able to change or turn off the dark mode on Spotify. So you have to wait until the Spotify brings the settings to turn off Spotify's dark mode and switch it back to the lighter mode. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.